Number 25, why are most plants green? And the answer is pretty simple. It's because most plants use chlorophyll, right? So they have chlorophyll, which is what captures the energy from the sun. And that energy, of course, is used for photosynthesis. Now, this chlorophyll, again, absorbs light, right? But it doesn't really absorb the color green. Okay, so you have, the visible spectrum, RGB, and in that spectrum, green light is not absorbed.